Good morning, students. I am Dr.Ramanithilagam from the Department of Management Studies, that is Business Administration. Actually, what subject we are going to see today is research methodology, which is a part of a mandatory part of a business. Right? Actually, what is research? Research is we can see through the picture also. What are the process and what is research that is exhibited in the presentation is also. That is, what is research actually? Why we need this research? So actually research is a fact-finding ongoing process. It is a continuous and endless things where it becomes a part and parcel of human life. Particularly while we speak about our management and the MBA, it is a wherever if you do a project or if you do a market, if you do a launch a product or if you want to be an HR, wherever we go and wherever we do or wherever we execute some work, in all sort of works we need research because the analytical knowledge will be inculcated part of the business administration. So research is needed where it is that is unless we develop a knowledge about this research we cannot cope with the business administration subjects. So research is a fact finding ongoing quest. Okay, what could be the process of the research? That is what here we can see this. That is, it is a studying of phenomena or social, we can take some social phenomena which could be analyzed through which we will convey some messages to the students or a society. So that is what by taking a phenomena we have to proceed with our research. Actually defining a research is nothing but just now I discussed, I told you that it is a fact finding ongoing quest and it is a continuous process, it is endless. So it is attached to, affiliated to all the subjects irrespective of the disciplines, right? What could be the objectives? Basically the research confined with the objectives might be classified into primary and secondary objectives, and apart from that the objectives, we have the research process also because it is a stage by stage process. Stage by stage or step by step it goes. Sequence of activities are carried out in research. First of all, in research we have see it has been exhibited in the picture also where you can see it like, so picture defining the problem is the first and foremost step of the research. What problem we have taken, for that we have to frame the objectives and the hypothesis. So first defining the problem and the problem identification and defining the problem more or less, so vice versa. So that is the first stage. Then again we'll go for the next stage, building the theoretical framework, or otherwise we call it as research design also. That is getting a blueprint of the activities what we are going to proceed with the research phenomena. So that is the thing. The next one is developing a research hypothesis, which is very important, that is bringing out the relationship between the variables, that is hypothesis. Actually what we say about this hypothesis is logical interpretation, that is hypothesis, or otherwise it is assumption of statements between the, of course it might be assumption of statements where in hypothesis we need to prove the facts, and the relevancy between the variables also. So the research thus it goes with the sequence of or continuity activities. Next one, developing operational definitions for research variables. So we'll be taking so many variables, in which variables in the sense, for example, let me explain through one example, then it will make you to understand very clearly.